Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the Vivo Y28 5G and opening settings. This gets you where wallpaper options live. Tap display and brightness, then wallpaper to reveal built-in and user selections. If you plan to use a photo, make sure the image is in gallery and visible. Otherwise, pick a default. Once done, select the source so the phone can load previews. This saves time and avoids redoing steps later, because previews show cropping and motion behavior before you apply. Now you choose the image and adjust it. This is where details matter. Tap Gallery or Live, then pick the photo. You can pinch to zoom, drag to reposition, and choose a ratio like 16:9 or 1 for better framing. Use the crop handles to remove unwanted edges, and pay attention to icons that may overlap the focal point. Once done, tap Preview to see how it looks on both lock screen and home screen, so you avoid obscured icons or important content. Finish by tapping Set as Wallpaper and choose Home, Lock, or both. The phone applies the image and returns you to the home screen. If it doesn't stick, make sure Battery Saver or a third-party launcher isn't reverting settings, because those can override wallpaper changes. If problems persist, restart the device and clear the wallpaper app cache in Settings right arrow apps. This often fixes stuck previews or failures. Finally, reapply the chosen image and confirm the layout is as expected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.